When our government was formed in 2014, only 5 cities had metro services. Today, 18 cities have metro rail service. My first rally today was in the cultural city of Madurai. Then I went to the land of Lord Ayappa. Then after that, I huge rally in the coastal part of Tamil Nadu. And now, on this lovely evening, in this lively stadium, I am among you all. The capital of Kerala has a special link with BJP. Our first ever seat in the Kerala Assembly came from this part of the state. Friend, this rally in Thiruvananthapuram is my last rally during this campaign season in the south. I have traveled to Puducherry, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. There is a huge wave of support for NDA in these states and union territory. The people see our party and alliance as the best suited alliance to address the development needs of society. Our alliance understands national interests and regional aspirations. We are believers in federal structure of India. I would urge my sisters and brothers of Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Puducherry to bless NDA in the upcoming polls. In Kerala, the people of the state are convinced on 2 things. First, UDF and LDF are twins. They are twins of misgovernance, corruption, political violence, communalism, casteism, cronyism, nepotism, and more. The political picture in West Bengal is clear to everyone. Election after election, Congress and left are getting closer. The logical step after such closeness is a full merger of Congress and left. They can call the new party CCP, Comrade Congress Party. Second, because they are twins, UDF lacks the ability and willingness to defeat LDF. No wonder there is a surge of support in favor of NDA. The rise in NDA support is being driven by the youngsters, women, first-time voters, and professionals of Kerala. Seeing the NDA, they are saying even people like us have a place in politics. UDF and LDF has given very uninspiring leadership to the state. Look at Thiruvananthapuram. and surrounding areas. You have a minister who was supposed to help temples, but he was one of the masterminds to shower lathis on devotees in Sabrimala. Disproportionate assets, disrespect towards women, destroying public property. This is what local UDF, LDF, MLA are doing. When the leadership is such, people will feel unhappy and disconnected from politics.
Suhruthukale,
Let me give you a small example of how the opposition treats professionals and how the NDA does. Congress is such a shameless party that they will sacrifice any hard-working person on the altar of factional politics. Many years ago, in the battle between the I faction and A faction, the career of a patriotic scientist, Nambi Narayan, was destroyed. That is why, even though they do try, not many professionals relate with UDF. In NDA, see the place of pride Metroman Sridharan has got. Today, he is emerging as an inspiration for so many professionals. In his career, he did so much for India. Now, he wants to give back to Kerala. Let me share a fact with you. When our government was formed in 2014, only 5 cities had metro services. Today, 18 cities have metro rail service. In a decade before 2014, only 225 kilometers of metro line was operational. More than 450 kilometers of metro network has been commissioned in the last 6 years. A rapidly urbanizing state like Kerala needs NDA delivery-centric approach, not delay-centric approach of UDF and LDF.